Before you spend a single dollar on any AI tool, watch this video first. Because right now, somewhere online, there is a list of AI tools that someone is telling you will change your business. Some of them cost $20 a month. Some cost $50. Some cost more. And if you are just starting out with no audience, no product, and no income yet, the pressure to buy the right tools can feel completely overwhelming. Here is what nobody tells you. Most of those tools have free versions that work just as well for where you are right now. And the paid upgrades, the ones that feel like they will finally make things click, are almost always solving problems you do not have yet. I have tested the free and paid versions of every major AI tool that matters for beginners building income online. And today, I am going to tell you exactly which ones are worth paying for, which ones are not, and what to use instead so you can start building right now without spending money you do not need to spend. This video could save you anywhere from $50 to $200 a month depending on what you are currently paying for or about to pay for. That is not a small number when you are just starting out. One thing before we get into it. Some of the tools I mention have affiliate links in the description below. I am telling you that up front because this channel is built on honesty and you deserve to know. Every recommendation I make is based on what actually works for beginners, not on what pays the highest commission. If something is not worth paying for, I will tell you that directly, even if there is an affiliate link attached to it. That is the deal here. Let's get into it. Tool 1. And this is the one most beginners get wrong first. ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month. You have heard about GPT 5.5. You have seen people talking about how much more powerful it is. And that little voice in your head is saying, maybe I should just upgrade and see what happens. Here is the honest answer. The free tier of ChatGPT is genuinely powerful for the tasks that matter most when you are starting out. Writing content, brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, outlining products, researching your niche, the free tier handles all of these without meaningful limitation. The paid upgrade becomes worth it when you are doing complex multi-step tasks consistently, need access to the latest model without usage caps, or are generating enough output that the free tier is actually slowing you down. If you have not made your first dollar online yet, do not pay for ChatGPT Plus. Not yet. Use the free tier, learn how to prompt it properly, and upgrade when you have a specific reason that is actually costing you time or results. Not before. What to use instead right now? Claude free tier. It is genuinely competitive with ChatGPT on every task that matters for beginners: writing, research, structured output, and creative work. Use both free tiers side by side for a week and see which one produces better results for your specific workflow. Then decide. Do not pay for either until you have outgrown both free versions. Tool 2. Canva Pro at $15 a month. Canva Free is one of the most genuinely useful free tools available to anyone building an online business. The template library alone is worth more than most paid design tools. The interface is intuitive. The output quality is professional enough to use immediately. The Pro upgrade locks certain premium templates, background removal, and brand kit features behind the paywall. And here is the thing. For the specific tasks that matter when you are starting out, the free tier covers almost everything. YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, digital product covers, simple presentations. Free tier handles all of it. The premium templates are nice, but the free ones are genuinely good. Background removal can be done for free using Remove.bg. The brand kit matters once you have a developed brand, not when you are still building one. Do not pay for Canva Pro until you hit a specific limitation that is actually slowing you down. Most beginners building their first income stream never reach that point in the first 6 months. What to use instead? Canva Free combined with ChatGPT Images 2.0 for anything that needs AI-generated visuals. That combination is completely free and covers every visual task a beginner needs. Tool 3. Jasper AI, or any dedicated AI writing tool. These tools charge anywhere from $30 to $80 a month. They were genuinely valuable a few years ago when large language models were not publicly accessible. Today, Claude and ChatGPT do everything these tools do, and in most cases, they do it better, for free. Paying for a specialized writing tool on top of a general AI assistant is redundant for a beginner. Full stop. What to use instead? Claude free tier for long-form writing, structured content, and anything that needs nuance. ChatGPT free tier for shorter copy and rapid brainstorming. You do not need a third writing tool. You need to get better at using the two you already have. Tool 4. Expensive SEO and keyword research tools. Ahrefs and SEMrush are genuinely powerful. They are also genuinely expensive, anywhere from $99 to $500 a month. And for a beginner who has not yet built a website with meaningful traffic, those tools are solving problems you do not have yet. The data only becomes actionable when you have enough content published to analyze and enough traffic to optimize. What to use instead? YouTube Search Autocomplete for video topic research. Google Trends for validating search interest before you create anything. These are free and they answer the only question that matters when you are starting. Is anyone actually searching for this? When you are genuinely ready to invest in SEO, KeySearch at $17 a month gives you 80% of the functionality of the expensive tools at a fraction of the cost. Start free. Pay for SEO tools when you have something worth optimizing. Tool 5. Midjourney at $10 a month for most beginners. Midjourney produces genuinely beautiful images. The aesthetic quality is distinctive, and for certain use cases it is absolutely worth the cost. But for a beginner who needs social media graphics, product mockups, and YouTube thumbnails, ChatGPT Images 2.0 is now free, dramatically more accessible, and produces results that are good enough for every beginner use case. Midjourney becomes worth paying for when you need a specific visual quality that ChatGPT Images genuinely cannot match: highly stylized art, consistent character design for a brand, or photorealistic images for premium products. Most beginners are not there yet. What to use instead? ChatGPT Images 2.0 free tier. Use it until you hit a specific ceiling that is actually limiting your results. Then, and only then, consider Midjourney. Here is the complete, honest summary. The pattern across every tool is identical. Paid upgrades become worth it when you have a specific problem the free tier cannot solve. Not before. Most beginners pay for upgrades because paying feels like commitment, like finally being serious, like this time it will work. It will not. Results come from execution and consistency, not from subscription spend. The free stack that works for a complete beginner right now: Claude free, ChatGPT free, Canva free, ChatGPT Images free, Kit free up to 10,000 subscribers, Gumroad free with transaction fees only, Card free for your website. That entire stack costs $0 a month and covers every core function of building an online income stream from scratch. Start there. Build something real. Upgrade when you have outgrown a specific tool for a specific reason. That is the honest advice nobody else is giving you. If this channel is saving you money and giving you the straight truth without the hype, subscribe. That is exactly what I put out every single week. I will see you in the next one.